For reaction lang sa paggamit po ng contribution ng mga AI generated or simulations po ng modeling. Ano pong thoughts doon ang
Of course, we had to object to that because we had to ask at least for the proper basis kung bakit AI yung ginagamit. But ninote naman po ng ating presiding officer, kagaling ng presiding officer yung aming objections at kumbaga, pinagpatuloy pa rin naman yung pagtatanong. Sa atin, okay lang yun. We just had to really register our objection. Kasi syempre, alam naman natin yung AI sometimes does not really depict yung totoong itsura no, ng mga bagay-bagay.
Pero ang necessary po pa tama doon. So yung paggamit nila ng ganong style.
Well, I would like to at least try to understand the side of the prosecution kasi syempre siguro they just wanted to show some graphics to give a picture kung ano ba yung punto na gusto nilang ipasok doon sa kanilang pagtatanong. So perhaps that's the reason why they used yung ganong AI. But again, all we had to do was object to that. No? All we could do was object to that kasi nga baka hindi accurate. No? And usually, hindi nagiging accurate talaga pag AI sa ngayon. But nakikita naman natin yung punto ng prosecution kaya nila ginawa yun. No? They wanted to give everyone, maybe not just people in court, but even the public kung ano yung puntong gusto nilang marating.
Di ba maganda sa mga tao, sir, kung AI yung gagamitin na binili attorney kanina process daw.
Kasi hindi natin ma-determine yung accuracy kung ganun ba talaga ang itsura ng 125 million. And to be honest, ako personally, I have not seen 125 million in person. So, yun lang talaga yung concern natin, no? Yung pagdating sa accurate depiction.
May nakikita ba kayong risk doon, attorney, if sa mga susunod na hearings gumamit pa ng mga AI-generated photos para lang magbigay ng context doon sa ina-expect na prosecution?
I think yung main concern lang talaga namin is kung accurate yung nakikita kasi baka exaggerated yung nakikita, baka o kahit hindi exaggerated, baka naman hindi talaga yun yung itsura ng gustong ipakita. But the witness naman is able to answer. So kahit papaano, no, yung kanina all we wanted was just to register our objection.
So you're considering po na mag-submit ng motion or manifestation na ipagbawal na lang?
I think we haven't really spoken about it after this, no? So I don't want to foreclose any possibility. But sa ngayon naman, na-note naman yung continuing objection namin doon. I think that's enough for now.